The tomato wasn't always Italian. It traveled from the Americas to Europe in the 60th century, where for generations it was grown more as a curiosity than something to eat. Today, we're taking the incredibly familiar ingredient and looking at it in a different way. A few simple steps can concentrate, transform, and layer flavors without making a recipe difficult to recreate. It's about understanding an ingredient, concentrating what makes it special, and then making the dish your own. Welcome to Mile Zero Kitchen's The Untold Story of the Tomato.
pure 100% tomatoes.